Today I will explain the way to prepare Japanese sweet bread dough with which we will be preparing these twisted donuts and 2 mini loaves. This is an enriched loaf recipe with which you can make donuts and breads easily. You can see how fluffy these donuts have turned out to be. They are stretchy and soft. You can prepare regular toppings for the donuts as well. So let's check out the ingredients. Usually Japanese bread flour is used. You can use plain flour instead. So here in a large mixing bowl I am taking in 3 large cups of plain flour followed by 3 tablespoons of sugar. The weights are given in the ingredients list. And here I am using instant yeast or the rapid rising yeast, so I am adding it directly. In goes the milk powder. This is an enriched loaf, which means enriched bread means it has milk powder, whipping cream and eggs along with butter. So here goes the whipping cream, dairy whipping cream, around half cup, followed by 1 egg yolk. So if you are vegetarian, you may omit the eggs and add in more cream instead, followed by salt and 50 grams of unsalted butter. So the water quantity has been given around 3/4 cup. So 50 grams of butter added in, and I will switch on the stand mixer. So if you are mixing in by hand, bring the dough in, make it into a rough dough and then start adding the butter if you are kneading by hand. So in the stand mixer I have kneaded for around 8 minutes, and I will check for the window pane test, in which you will check if the dough is become stretchy. You can see it is tearing, so I will knead for around 2 more minutes and let the dough rest for around 30 minutes, and we will start working with the dough. So here I have dusted the first surface with some flour and taken out the dough, and I will cut into 2 equal parts. So the half will go in making 2 mini loaves and the remaining half into the sugar donuts. Okay, so I will stretch it into a elongated dough and I will cut into 7 equal parts. So if you are making just donuts, you will get around 14 pieces of twisted donuts. Okay, then I will cut and form balls into it. Let it rest for 10 minutes before we proceed on to the shaping of these donuts. Okay, once I have rested the dough for 10 minutes, I will roll the dough until it becomes around 50 to 60 centimeters long. For that I am taking around 3 dough balls and stretching like this one at a time, and start with the first one again. So this is much easier to roll if we do it like this. The resting time between the rolling helps the dough to become elastic. So you are rolling it until it's almost 50 to 60 centimeter long. Okay, the twisting part is very easy. Do it like this and bring in, twist it until you reach maximum, and then with the other side twist it, and the 2 ends must be pinched together and tucked below. Okay, I will do it one more time. You can see this process, and after you have shaped the doughs, you have to cover with cling foil and let it rise for around 30 minutes. So this is the twisting. You are twisting maximum, like 3 times on each side, and bring the 2 ends together. Press to seal, to pinch it out and place in the bottom so that the pinch ends go below. Okay, so after you have done rolling the 7 twisted donuts, you will cover and let it rise for around 30 more minutes. After 30 minutes we will proceed with the frying. Okay, usually commercially these donuts are fried in uh, shortening, Crisco shortening, but here I am using normal vegetable oil like sunflower or canola. Okay, so here I have already started frying the donuts. Each side will take around 1 minute in medium flame. Because of the egg content in the dough, you can see bubbles forming in the oil. So once you have fried, immediately cover in caster sugar. This is caster sugar. Roll in caster sugar and let it. Okay, so arrange. So each side of the donut will take around 1 minute to cook. Do not increase the flame, and the outside will be burned and the inside won't be cooked. So be careful with the flame of the donuts. Okay, so here is the 2 mini loaves which I baked using the same dough. These are really soft and fluffy, so do give a try to these Japanese bread loaves and the twisted donuts. Thank you and take care.